Been muting this entire time.
Mommy.
Who made this?
Mommy.
Does he see it? You wanna play Brawlhalla?
Sure, wait. Soon after you build me a house. What is that?
Okay, what house do you want?
A house made out of your stuff. A house made out of this.
Nah, I'll do it later. Wait, hold on. Let's make a new world. Because I want to try out this mod pack that I got. Yeah, man.
Oh yeah, let's make a world that we live in my house, and then just like a world that you live in your house, and also live sometimes.
Nah.
Remove creative. I don't want it.
Wait, where are you?
I don't want it. You won't be able to.
Oh, wait. There's one thing I need to show you that I think you're gonna like. Hold on. I don't want to make a... This is what you call an epic gamer play. Watch this. Watch this, bro. Where are you, David? Up here?
Yeah. Let me take.
No, not that. Oh, there you are. Are you flying up?
Sorry.
I was like, whoa, Minecraft has this cool thing where it looks like you're zooming. Right. Wait, don't jump yet. So look, I want to show you this really cool thing. Yeah. Oh, okay. Well, this is what I wanted to show you. Watch this. Wait, no, it's not working. No, it's not. Wait, what? What? Wait. Why did it work? It didn't work. Hold on. Wait, come back. I want to show you this. I want to show you. Come on, man.
Wait. I need to press spawns. I need to go and spawn.
What are you doing?
Spawn, go and spawn.
No. What do you want, man? Just come on. Come to me. Come to me.
I'll go and spawn more.
To do what?
I want to do a thing, but don't push me.
What are you going to spawn?
Huh? You see.
Okay. Imagine.
What?
Stop, man! You're breaking the game.
What?
See, last second. At the last second, I put you back in creative. Okay. Come on, get back up. You have 5 seconds. Otherwise, I'm putting it back on survival.
What?
Yo, man. Stop breaking the game, alright? 5, 4, 3, 2.
Double dip.
Okay, just give me this. Stop, bro. You're breaking it.
What? I didn't die?
No, I put you back on creative. Wait, no, why am I getting it? Come on, just get down. Stop flying. Okay, are you sure you're not flying? You're safe? Alright, what did you want to throw me?
No, I wanted to spawn things.
What do you want to spot a Ravager?
No, yes. Yes.
Oh, I put it on survival. Hold on. Okay, let's see. Oh wait, spawn. Wait, did you say you wanted to spawn a Ravager?
No, many things. More than
Wait, what's going on? Why is it not showing everything? Wait, it's not showing everything. Okay, there we go. Now it should show. Okay, yeah. What do you want to spawn?
First of all, let's see. A wolf. Second of all, an enderman and a creeper. And also a geese.
A ghast. Yeah, that's all. You can only pick that much.
Yeah, I wanted to.
Oh, you fell, man. You fell.
No.
I didn't push you. Remember, we're still in creative. Yo, chill, man. Am I flying? I don't know what happened, to be honest. I'm not sure what happened. Stop, man. Stop. Hold on. Okay, what do you want to do? Should I put on survival now?
No, but then I
Okay, what?
only one egg. Please get out of the way. Fly. Come on, fly.
What are you doing?
No.
Bro, you're such a bot. You're such a bot.
What?
Such a bot, man. What are you doing with your life?
There's the enderman.
Don't look at it. What's your problem?
What happens if I
Something
look
wrong
at
with
it?
you. You is on some other stuff, man. Now you're gonna die. Wait, watch this. Look what you can do. Hold on. So if I go, oh wait, oh I didn't time it right. If you time it right, watch what happens. Oh, I didn't time it right again. You can hit it back. Like you can hit it back. Hold on, man. Shimloaded. Okay, watch this. Watch. I'm gliding. See, I'm gliding. With this thing called Elytra. See? See, dude? I can fly. Gas? Here you go, David. You can have it if you want. I don't know. No, I didn't. But you know what I am gonna kill? Did you see what it did? You just fell sideways, then you just teleported. Wait, where's the gas? I can still hear it.
Yeah, that's what I was looking for.
Oh my. Hey, yo, what's up? Post up. Put him up. Yeah.
Please, I double dare you. Creative.
If I make this, I'm so good, bro. I'm so good at this game. I make this shot? Wait, I'm trying to see. Where exactly are you? Hey, over, why are you running? Why are you running? Who hit you? Where is he, bro? Now, fam. No. No. I'm gonna kill you. You're not gonna drown. I'm gonna kill you. Where'd you go? Where did he go? Where'd he go? You drowned. No, man. Let's play hide and seek. Let's play hide and seek.
But no killing.
Yes, killing.
Okay,
that's the whole point.
Then give me wolves.
Why should I give you wolves?
Put creative and give me wolves. What? Oh, you're killing yourself. Put creative. I didn't put creative. You'll ever find me.
How much you wanna bet, bro? How much you wanna bet? This dude.
Wait.
How does that make you feel, bro?
Wait.
He really want the smoke, huh? Okay then.
Why does it keep on showing that, what even is that stupid? I don't even know what to do.
Oh. Oh man. Hey yo, bro, what are you doing? Why are you biting with a sword? Why are you biting with a sword, man? What's your problem? Bro, I'm just gonna... Wait, would you... Bro, you destroyed your bed, so you spawned like where we started, like low, like at the beginning. Do you need to use the bathroom? Go and use the bathroom, man. And while he's in the bathroom, I'm gonna find him and kill him. Where's his house? Oops.
I dare you, if you kill me.
Why would you do that? What's your problem, man? I don't know how you're dying. It's not even me. You switched off the light and you're too scared to switch it back on. Oh, you're getting killed by a spider. Wait, oh, you drowned. Wow. Ah, you drowned. So I think spawn is like in that direction, right? Yeah. David, you have to sleep in my bed so that you can respawn. No, you have to sleep in my bed so that every time you die, you spawn in my house. Where are you? Where is he? Oh, there he is. Go and sleep in my bed. You have 3 seconds. 2. 1. Go, sleep. No, sleep, man. Sleep. Sleep. Okay, you can put your own bed down if you want to. Oh, oops. My bad. That was your wolf. That was my wolf. Sleep, man. Sleep. Why? Wait. Why am I sleeping like? Ha! Why am I sleeping like that?
Mommy! Wait, why is there 3 beds actually?
No, stop. That's my other bed. Hey, put it back. Put it back. Put it back down.
Why do you need 3 beds?
Don't worry about it. Just put it down, man. Where did you put it? Oh, okay. Alright, now go to sleep. Oh, we already woke up.
Bro, stop.
Have a nice life. Oh, I forgot. We
I'll
have.
destroy your house if
You died.
if you kill me
You
one
died.
more time. I'll destroy your house
With what?
with TNT.
Oh no, fam. We don't do that.
If you kill me, you'll see what I'll do. Okay.
Oh, do you wanna fight? You wanna do like a PvP? Yeah, let's fight.
Give me TNT. Give me TNT. Come on. Come on. Put creative.
Wait, where'd you go?
Put creative.
Huh?
Just put
No. Don't blow up my house. I will fight, alright? You wanna fight?
wait, if you kill me one more time, we're not fighting. If you kill me one more time, I'll blow up your house.
Come on, let's fight. Huh?
That will count as blowing your house up with TNT.
I didn't even pull the string all the way.
Okay, Adi, if you touch me once, I'll explode your house.
With what?
TNT.
I'll just keep on killing you every time you spawn then. What are you doing? Can you pick those up, please? I don't like people messing up my house. Alright, so here's what we're gonna do.
Wait, stop. Wait, don't kill me. Okay, fine. Let's play tag. Let's play tag. Bro, stop. Stop. I'll break your house. I'll break your house. Counting for each time you kill me. If you at least like kill me.
Why? What was the point of that? Well, let me see something. Check if it went. What's your problem, man? You know, I'm not even gonna follow you because I can't even be bothered with that. To be honest.
I didn't get to fight the Ender Dragon, so yeah, it's fine. Oh, no.
You're just too scared to fight, man. Come on, let's just fight.
Fine, but I can't get up here. Bye.
Just die.
How?
Eat rotten flesh till you die.
I can't eat it.
Okay, here, let me help you. Oh, no. Okay. Wait, I'm trying to see what I can use to build.
Adi, just don't put create. Just oh, okay. Adi, do you have the yeah, I want to fight it.
The Ender Dragon isn't even here.
Okay, bye.
I killed it. You're still gonna die. You're just gonna die. You wanna fight an Enderman? Right then, fight him. Square up then. need to find like.
Let's see how if I can fly. No.
You died. You died. You died, and you know what that means? I told you if you die, we fight. You didn't even kill one Enderman.
I didn't.
So, you gonna die. Yeah, you gonna die.
I don't care if I break your house or not. I'm just gonna aim at everybody.
Okay, buddy. Okay. I literally killed you in one hit, bro. How do you feel about that?
What? What? Ow. I'm still on. Wait, let me eat the apple.
It's not gonna protect you. Well, it has fire resistance, but you're still dead. Oh, actually, I'm about to die. But I'm still gonna kill you. My bow is so powerful, bro. It's okay, okay. That was uncalled for. That was uncalled for. No, stop. Don't cover it. No, man. What is this man doing? What are you doing with your life, man? Just stop. Get a job, get a life. Oh my gosh. What are you doing? Hey, stop! Stop! No, no, stop. Stop. Stop, please, please. Stop. What are you achieving? What is your goal? I'm about to die. You have a chance to kill me. If you want. Yes, I have low food. Which means that I probably won't regen health. And I can't run. Hey, yo, watch out. Back up. Back up. Back up. No. What are you doing, bro? What are you doing? Where is he? Where'd he go?
I teleported.
Wait, hold up. Where's this man? Wait, where is he going? Where'd he go? Oh, there, got him. Got him.
I killed your wolf.
What? No!
You put it on sit so it wouldn't.
No!
You put it on sit so it wouldn't attack me.
No, I'm just gonna keep on killing you now. I don't care
And I'll
anymore.
keep on destroying your house and I go kill.
Why are you doing this, man? I just wanted to fight. All I wanted was to fight, man.
Yeah, this is the pretty big mess of fights. Wait, let's fight with wolves. Let's fight with wolves. I think, come on, put survival. Let's fight with wolves.
We are on survival.
I mean, put creative.
Watch this, oh my.
I said put creative.
How do you feel? How do you feel getting bullied? Wait, hold on. What are you doing?
Stay down. Let's try both of us.
Man, this is just so funny. No! My house! No! I'm gonna blow up your house. I'm going to blow up your house.
Okay, then do it.
I'm gonna blow up your house, bro. I'm just... Oh, you broke my... You broke my armor. Wait, did you? Oh no, I broke your... Wait. Okay, you did it. Wait, is it almost done? Oh no, my armor's almost finished. Oof, I gotta take it. Wait, huh. Now that was uncalled for. Drop the chest. Put the chest down. Come here and put the chest down.
Yeah. What?
Boo gang, holla gang. Wait, hold up. Stop. I'm warning you, better be prepared because I'm blowing up your house. Are you prepared for your house to get blown up? Are you sure? Look at this dude. Look at this dude. Where is he? Let me find this dude. Where is he? What are you doing, man? Where are you? I literally just doo-dooed on you, bro. I literally just fell and then you died. Wait, hold up. What are you doing? Where are you, bro? Where is this man? No matter where you go, I'm going to find you. Hold up. First, let me kill this chicken real quick. Boom. Yummy. Where's this dude, man? Where is he? Oh, you're in there. Hey, yo, bro, what are you doing with your life? You thought I couldn't find you? Did you really think I couldn't find you? You're not slick, bro.
What?
Hey, yo, you better not break anything in my house. Wait, how do I get back inside? What did you do? Hold up, no! No! I'm going to murder you. I'm going to kill you so hard. Why? Before I kill you, what do you have to say to? What do you have to say for yourself?
I have to say, bye, I died, good job. What?
Yeah, that's what happens, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Easy.
Oh, no.
You just broke my entire house.
I need to sleep. I need to sleep.
Oh my, bro, why, tell me why there's an Enderman in my house. This is all your fault, bro. My house was secure. My house was secure. Now because of you, it's not anymore.
You are killing me and I warned you. I warned you so hard.
You warned me so hard.
Yeah.
Look at this, though. Now my armory looks like doo-doo. Good for you. I hope you die. I hope you die. I'm going to help him kill you. Hold on. Watch. You think I can't TP to you? TP Rainbow Fox. Boom. What's up? So what's up then? Why do you look like that, bro? Bro, what are you doing? Why do you look like that? You're just, look, you don't have feet. You don't have feet. Aw, heck no, bro. You did. see what you made me do, bro. You made me kill that sheep. How do you feel? Yo, where's your bed? Let me help you. Let me help you real quick. Hey David, I have some food. You want some food?
Nah, I'm good. I'm good.
Well, too bad.
I don't even need food. I'm on full. I'm on full food.
Cause you died.
What? Wait, I'm a zombie.
I'm half a heart.
No.
Wow, you just got clapped by a zombie, bro. How do you feel? Oh, for a second I thought that was you almost got clapped by a creeper. Hey yo, whose wolves are these? They're yours, these aren't mine. What are they doing here? What's this? No, not this again. No, no, no. No, 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 no. Watch, I'm gonna snipe all of them from up here. What was that? Wait, how did I die? I just got clapped somehow. I'm coming to kill you, David. Boom, I just destroyed your bed. How? How do you feel getting bullied, man? Like, how do you feel?
Okay, sorry, I'm sorry. I'll help you rebuild your house.
Oh man. Time to get clapped. Oh wait, clapped. Hey bro, I'm tired of playing Minecraft. Alright guys, that's the end of this live stream. Thank you so much for watching. Hope you like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.